Hey guys, today I'm going to make a skillet breakfast on my Weber Q1200 gas grill. I bought this breakfast sausage down at Andy's Produce right in front of my house here. It's has white wine in it, so I thought that sounded interesting. And I have some red potatoes, a red bell pepper, green onion, and I'm going to cook that in avocado oil, season it with kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper, and then maybe put a couple eggs on top. It's been raining, so I set this thing up on my upper deck here where it's covered, so that way if it starts to rain I can still grill. I'm going to cook the sausages first, so let's get this lit. Whoa! Guess I had the gas on a little too long while I was turning the camera on there. Okay, I put a little bit of that avocado oil in the pan there. And we'll just kind of spread these out in my cast iron skillet. I have the heat turned all the way up right now. I'm going to shut the lid and I'll just kind of keep an eye on them. The sausage smells good. Let's take a look at it here. Probably better flip it over here. This is still turned all the way up and it's not burning at all. That's one thing I noticed about this little grill is it cooks pretty evenly. It doesn't really burn stuff. These smell super good. You can really smell that wine. They've been on there about 20 minutes and they're getting a pretty nice color on them, so I think I'll go ahead and get them off of there. It doesn't look like there's really very much fat in the pan there, and all that brown stuff on the bottom, all that is flavor, so I think I'll just go ahead and add the potatoes and get them started like that, and I may have to add a little bit of that avocado oil, but I'll just get them started like that for now. Get them seasoned with a little bit of my Johnny's seasoned pepper there and a little kosher salt. Alright, that's a good start. We'll get the lid on and let them cook for a bit. These have been on here for about 20 minutes or so. And I've been stirring them up every once in a while. Looks like they're getting a little bit dry, so I think I'm going to add just a little bit of this avocado oil now. There we go. Kind of sticking to the bottom of the pan. And I turned the pan down to medium. So, but they look like they're doing pretty good here. And I think maybe I'll go ahead and add my red bell pepper in there now too. All right, this is looking good. The peppers are starting to soften up a bit there, so now I think I will just crack a couple eggs in there. There we go. 1, 2, and now I'll just shut the lid and let those eggs cook and it'll be done. Let's see how the eggs are doing here. Just about done. All right, this is done. And I threw a couple sausage links on top and closed the lid just to warm them back up a little bit. And man, I tasted one of those. They have so much flavor. That is such good sausage. I'll just sprinkle on just a little green onion to give it a little color. And we'll take it inside and try it out. This is like one of my toaster oven meals, breakfasts, only on the little grill. So let's cut into this and see how it is here. Get a little egg, get a little sausage. Oh yeah. Man, that sausage is so good, that white wine sausage. Panazera Sausage Company in Occidental is who makes that. That is really good. It has tons of flavor. To make this official, we better bring in Annie, the taste test dog, and let her see what she thinks. Annie said it was good, and she said I should give away a mug. I bought this mug out of my Spreadshirt shop. I thought these were plastic. They sell for $20, so I really didn't pay that much attention because I thought they were plastic. And I looked closer and I realized they're stainless steel. So I thought, you know what? Stainless steel mug for $20, that's not bad. And it even has like the lid that snaps on there with the opening so you can drink coffee out of it. But it's a hot or cold mug, and it holds 14 ounces. So I've been drinking beer out of this. It's really nice for that. Super nice mug. So I'm going to give one away. So if you're interested, just say I want a mug, and I'll run the comments through the YouTube random comment picker in a couple days, and if your name comes up, I'll message you and let you know. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.